I hope you're doing fine. I hope your soul discoing. I hope you feel disco, soul, love. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you are disco. And this is a gold technical analysis brief. And if you know, in my last video, I was, and I still am, very bullish based on many things, including TLT. And today, I think the confirmation took place, as this is the major moving average, the 200, the 50, the 200, and the 10, and the 20. Okay? And this bad boy is above them all. Not only that, it gapped up with pride. Okay? And it closed close to the high. So TLT is telling me it's going to at least 120. And if it is going to at least 120, gold is going even higher. So these are the moving averages, and we're going to have the confirmation of this beautiful scenario once we clear the 109. And we will. Beautiful. And also, this is the gap up I was talking about. In a very focused way, we gapped up above this trend line, and the golden cross, once this takes place, oh Madonna mia. So TLT definitely is very bullish with strength based on the moving averages and the trend line. Good deal. And this is GLD, the price action, the ETF for gold. First of all, the RSI is above 50, which is extremely bullish and ensures the dipper buying. Good. And now we are definitely forming a beautiful bull flag. Okay. Even me, I didn't expect that. With high reading and RSI, which most likely will break up, and we will make higher high, and I think it's going to be an all-time high. So within a month, we're gonna make an all-time high in gold. Good deal. Good deal. Beautiful. This is SLV. The same is true in SLV with this bull flag. An RSI over 50 with beautiful rejection of lower price. An amazing hammer with bullish harami as far as the Japanese candles are concerned. And in the silver itself, you had, this is SLV, but I'm talking about silver here. You have a bull flag in silver. You have a bullish harami and a bullish hammer and a bear trap, because you tapped the low, that blow, which was the old resistance. Then you closed above it in the future contracts in silver. GDX, another beautiful thing. GDX is definitely in a bear trap of this reversal pattern. If you follow me on Twitter, you will know that I talked about the possibility of bear traps, and we are definitely in the bear trap mode. Up we go. And also, if you use volume by price, you know we are definitely in the best support, 2-year support, when it comes to volume by price, and also when it comes to price memory. And it is right here, you can see it. This price memory went all the way back to 2020 and proved itself. And as I said last time, GDX usually does not go through measure moves. It follows support and resistance because it is dependent on other things like forex and bond market. Usually the only time that it goes by measure move when you have a big pressure on the market like you had here in June and you had here in April. So it was told off with the market and it had a measure move with the market too. The same thing, but now it's not true. So the old resistance now is acting like support, and the volume is telling me that you have a lack of sellers right now. Okay, so you can see it's anemic volume the last 2 days, which tells you the interest is not that high when it comes to sellers. Okay, so you really are establishing this support. Usually GDX does that in a very noticeable way. You form these supports, then you go up, and you also form the distribution resistance usually, and you go down. Like you form resistance here, distribution, you go down, and I could show you a lot of things about that. Look, you could see that the resistance, then go down, and also you do that with this. You form this support, and you go up, resistance, go down. It does base the bottom. Also does that in the top. The GDX is very notorious when it comes to that because it's dependent on other forces. So usually smart money buys at inflection point. Then once that, if you follow in the dollar or the bond, once it goes to a certain way, it follows. So you have these resistance go down. You have this support go up. Support go up. See, this is 2019 right here. See how you form it the same way. Support go up. See here, 23rd of Jan 2019. Supports go up. So usually GDX do that all the time. Okay, so it does that with support and resistance until it gives it, if we follow in the forex or the bond market, it follows that next direction. So now we form this support, then we go back up. I forgot to remind you guys, please like if you like. If you want this material, if you like it, please push the like button. Please share. Please subscribe. And do remember that disco is forever.